Okay, friends. Now we are going to discuss how to alter a company. So for this purpose, first of all, we have to activate the Tally RP9 and we have to select the company whichever we want to alter. So for activation of the Tally RP9, press on start button and in search bar type Tally ERP9. Okay, then the Tally ERP9 option will be displayed on the screen and select that it will be activated. Okay, friends. Now we are observing that the Tally ERP9 is activating. Okay. So select again work in education mode. Now the Tally ERP9 package is activated. The first reason of the Tally ERP9 is gateway of Tally. Okay. Now how to alter a company? So for this purpose, press on Alt plus F3 to enter into the company info. So I pressed Alt plus F3 shortcut key. Then I got company info. Under company info, we are having the select company, connect company, shed company, create company, alter. Okay. So our task is altering a company. So select the option alter. Then the list of companies activated will be appeared on your screen. So here we are having only one company there, Sri Anantana Padmanabha Computers. So press on enter. Then whatever we are having the company alteration screen will be there. Here, whatever the modifications you want to modify on your company. Okay. Here I want to change the name SRI Venkateshwara Traders. Address also I am changing. See Hyderabad and here I want to change the pin code number 5 lakh to 40. Okay. So I would like to change the phone number also 040252556 like that and I want to change the mobile number. Okay, like that you can change whatever the modifications you want to change in our company. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్ మనము ఈ కంపెనీ ఆల్టరేషన్ స్క్రీన్ పైన ఏవేవైతే చేంజెస్ చేయదలుచుకున్నామో ఆల్టర్ చేయదలుచుకున్నామో వాటన్నిటిపైన మీరు ఇమీడియట్లీ వన్ బై వన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ ఆప్షన్స్ అనేవి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. దెన్ ప్రెస్ ఆన్ ఎంటర్. It will ask you whether to accept the changes or not. So to accept that, press on enter. Then automatically the changes will be made in Tally RP9. Again, if you want to see the changes, whether the changes are incurred or not. So just in the list of companies, select the company. Again, you are having the company alteration scheme. There you can observe the changes. Okay. Like that, we can make the changes or alterations in the company. Okay, friends. Thank you.